Budgeting is a crucial skill that can significantly impact your financial health and overall well-being. In today's fast-paced world, many people find themselves struggling to make ends meet or save for future goals. This is where mastering budgeting comes into play. By understanding how to effectively manage your money, you can pave the way for financial growth, reduce stress, and achieve your dreams. The 30-Day Financial Challenge is designed to help you take control of your finances and develop lasting habits that will benefit you for years to come. Throughout this challenge, viewers can expect to learn practical budgeting techniques, such as tracking expenses, setting realistic financial goals, and creating a personalized budget that works for their unique situation. Each day will introduce new concepts and actionable steps, making it easy to follow along and implement changes in real time. Engaging in disciplined money management not only helps you stay on top of your expenses, but also empowers you to make informed financial decisions. By the end of the 30 days, you'll likely notice a shift in your mindset towards money, leading to increased savings, reduced debt, and a greater sense of financial freedom. So, if you're ready to transform your financial life and build a solid foundation for the future, join us on this exciting journey and discover the power of budgeting. Understanding budgeting basics. Budgeting is the process of creating a plan for how to spend your money. It plays a vital role in personal finance management by helping you allocate your income towards essential expenses, savings, and discretionary spending. By establishing a budget, you gain a clearer understanding of your financial situation, enabling you to make informed decisions that align with your goals. There are several budgeting methods to consider, each with its unique approach. One popular method is zero-based budgeting, where every dollar of your income is assigned a specific purpose, ensuring that your income minus your expenses equals zero. This method encourages you to prioritize your spending and eliminate unnecessary expenses. Another effective approach is the envelope system, which involves dividing your cash into envelopes designated for different spending categories. This tactile method can help you visually track your spending and stick to your budget. Before diving into any budgeting method, it's essential to assess your current financial situation. Take a close look at your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Understanding where your money is going is the first step toward effective budgeting. By evaluating your financial landscape, you can identify areas for improvement and set realistic goals. Remember, budgeting is not just about restricting your spending. It's about empowering yourself to make choices that lead to financial stability and growth. So take the time to understand these basics, and you'll be well on your way to mastering your finances. Setting financial goals. Setting realistic and achievable financial goals is a crucial step in taking control of your financial future. Financial goals can be categorized into short-term and long-term objectives. Short-term goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off a small debt, typically span a few months to a couple of years. Long-term goals, like saving for a home or retirement, require a more extended commitment and planning. Both types of goals are essential, as they provide direction and motivation for your financial journey. To ensure your goals are effective, consider using the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to save money," a SMART goal would be, "I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a car within the next 12 months." This clarity helps you stay focused and track your progress. Common financial goals for students and young professionals might include building an emergency fund, paying off student loans, or saving for a new laptop for school or work. By setting these goals, you create a roadmap for your financial decisions, making it easier to prioritize spending and saving. Remember, the key to successful financial planning is to regularly review and adjust your goals as your circumstances change. By doing so, you'll not only stay motivated but also develop a strong foundation for your financial future. Creating your budget. Creating a personalized budget is an empowering process that can help you take control of your finances. The first step is to categorize your income and expenses effectively. Start by listing all sources of income, including your salary, side gigs, or any passive income. Next, break down your expenses into fixed costs, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance, and variable costs like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. This clear categorization will give you a comprehensive view of where your money is coming from and where it's going. Once you have your income and expenses outlined, consider using budgeting tools and apps to assist in tracking your finances. Popular options like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and every dollar can help you monitor your spending, set financial goals, and even send alerts when you're nearing your budget limits. These tools can simplify the budgeting process and make it more engaging. As you create your budget, it's crucial to be honest and realistic about your spending habits. Take a close look at your past spending patterns and identify areas where you might be overspending. Acknowledging these habits is the first step toward making meaningful changes. Remember, budgeting is not about restriction. It's about creating a plan that aligns with your financial goals. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to crafting a budget that works for you and supports your financial aspirations. Tracking your spending. Monitoring your expenses is a vital part of the budgeting process, especially during the 30-day financial challenge. Keeping a close eye on your spending helps you stay accountable and ensures that you are sticking to your budget. One effective method for tracking daily expenses is to maintain a spending journal. This can be as simple as jotting down your purchases in a notebook or using a digital document. Alternatively, budgeting apps like PocketGuard or Good Budget can streamline this process by automatically categorizing your expenses and providing real-time insights. To maximize the benefits of tracking, it's essential to review your spending weekly. Set aside time each week to analyze your expenses and identify patterns. Are there specific categories where you consistently overspend? Are there areas where you can cut back? This reflection not only helps you understand your financial habits, but also empowers you to make informed decisions moving forward. As you gain insights from your spending patterns, don't hesitate to adjust your budget accordingly. If you notice that certain expenses are higher than anticipated, consider reallocating funds from less critical categories. This flexibility allows you to create a budget that truly reflects your lifestyle and financial goals. By actively tracking your spending and making necessary adjustments, you'll cultivate better money management habits and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember, the goal is to create a budget that works for you, not the other way around. Adjusting your budget. Adapting your budget as needed is an essential skill that can help you navigate the ups and downs of your financial journey, especially during the 30-day challenge. There are several common reasons why you might need to make budget adjustments. Unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills, can arise at any time, while changes in income, like a reduction in hours or a new job, may also necessitate a reevaluation of your budget. While it's important to remain flexible, maintaining financial discipline is equally crucial. This means being proactive about your spending and making adjustments before they spiral out of control. Regularly reviewing your budget will help you identify areas where you can cut back or reallocate funds to stay on track with your financial goals. When it comes to reallocating funds, start by assessing your current spending categories. If you find that you're consistently overspending in one area, consider reducing your budget in another category. For example, if dining out is taking a toll on your finances, you might decide to cut back on entertainment expenses to compensate. Additionally, prioritize your financial goals by allocating funds towards savings or debt repayment whenever possible. Remember, budgeting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's a dynamic process that requires ongoing adjustments to reflect your changing circumstances and priorities. By embracing this adaptability, you'll be better equipped to achieve your financial goals and maintain a healthy financial outlook. Celebrating small wins. Acknowledging and celebrating your budgeting achievements is a vital part of maintaining motivation throughout your financial journey. Recognizing progress, no matter how small, can boost your confidence and reinforce positive financial habits. When you take the time to reflect on your accomplishments, you remind yourself that every step counts. Whether it's sticking to your budget for a week or successfully saving a certain amount. To keep the momentum going, consider setting small rewards for reaching budgeting milestones. For instance, if you manage to save a specific amount or reduce your spending in a particular category, treat yourself to something enjoyable, like a movie night, a special meal, or a small purchase you've been eyeing. These rewards can serve as a tangible acknowledgement of your hard work and commitment to your financial goals. Additionally, sharing your successes with friends or on social media can amplify your sense of achievement. Not only does this create a supportive environment, but it can also inspire others to embark on their budgeting journeys. Whether it's posting about your progress or discussing your goals with friends, sharing your experiences can foster accountability and encouragement. Remember, celebrating small wins is not just about the rewards, it's about recognizing the effort you've put into improving your financial situation. By taking the time to celebrate your achievements, you'll cultivate a positive mindset that propels you forward on your path to financial success. As we wrap up this 30-day financial challenge, it's essential to recap the key points we've discussed about budgeting and its significance in achieving financial stability. We've explored the fundamentals of budgeting, from categorizing your income and expenses to setting realistic financial goals. We also emphasized the importance of tracking your spending, adjusting your budget as needed, and celebrating your small wins along the way. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in helping you take control of your finances and work towards your financial aspirations. The long-term benefits of disciplined money management cannot be overstated. By mastering budgeting, you not only reduce financial stress, but also create a solid foundation for future investments, savings, and overall financial well-being. The skills you develop during this challenge will serve you well throughout your life, empowering you to make informed decisions and achieve your dreams. We hope you found this challenge valuable and that you feel inspired to continue your budgeting journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about financial tips and strategies, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more content that can assist you and others in achieving financial success. Thank you for joining us, and here's to a brighter financial future.